Man, there's so much recoil on the AKs. If I got that guy or not. Try a single shot, see if that's better. Going up. Oh crap. Oh man. No. Oh wow. Is that the only guy alive? Yeah. Shit. Got it, man. Oh no. Maybe you don't. Got the most kills.
You. Okay. Stay safe.
Hala bandala.
Contact, please.
Let's try to play a little more tactical this time. Everybody else is just charging it. Recoil at range, man. Okay, we got it this time, right? Switch to auto. Shit, man, they're getting ripped apart. This game is so damn intense. Good job. Fuck, they're flanking us. Get out of the open. Damn. Let's go. Oh, that hurt.
I need to reload.
Okay, hold on.
Reloading. New magazine going in.
Stay out of the flames. Okay. Grab some more ammo. Yep. Good. Suppressing fire. It's not. Oh. Now they can call in airstrikes and choppers. So. Oh shit! I can snipe that. I think I'm getting sniped at. How the fuck do you get down there? Oh, get up there, man. Ooh. Oh, shit. Okay. Get inside, idiot. Oh, wow. I can't see shit with the smoke, man. I mean, that's a... Oh! Mm-hmm.
Hey, we're taking C!
Come on, you fuck. I know you're there. Okay, good. At least I can't get flanked from that side. Did he throw a grenade? Shit. Yes, he did. Oh my god! Ah, fuck! Oh. Hope that did something. I don't know. Get the hell out of here. Get in. Oh my god. Shit! I don't know if I got that guy. Oh my god. Yeah, I got him. Holy shit. Oh, no! I was checking my ammo count, man. No. Come on, Charlie, you got it. Or cat milk, kid. Oh, we're back. Yeah, I was checking my ammo and then zip, pop, poop, pop. I'm dead. Oh shit. Fucking recoil is unbelievable. Okay. Just lay down here in the grass like a fucking snake. Oh, we got Story of Ryan going crazy attacking Cat Milk Kid. damn it. Ah! Oh! I almost took my own guy out. Now we're getting hit with gas. Oh shit. Anybody comes in that door, man, they're getting lit up. Okay. Did he just get taken out? Oh, he's alive, okay. I'm afraid to fucking move, man. Oh! We good down there? Let's see.
Reloading.
Oh, alright. Where's the ammo at? Late to the party, as usual. Which is a good thing sometimes. You don't want to get fucking popped. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Reloading. Oh, where the hell do they keep it?
Yeah, want the bombs.
Explosive down.
Oh, it killed him anyways, no.
Jesus.
Look at that. Most rise going on there. Oh, shit. Oh god. Oh, he just got head blown off. I'm gonna pop smoke and then move.
Smoke! Let it spread.
Alright. Play it by the numbers. Oh shit, no. Get down, man, get down. I'm trying to crouch. What is he doing? You fucking moron.
Okay, take it, yeah. Cover me. We have
Someone's
captured
opening
them.
doors. Not good.
Everyone reporting.
Shit. God. Fire like a 30 round mag and I've only killed like one dude probably. Yeah, look at that. Jesus. Alright. Frag up there, but I don't want to kill a teammate.
Grenade out.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey.
Oh, I just got flashed. Fuck. Oh, this is bad.
We have enemy. Are you still with me? Enemy on objective.
Oh my god. Close that fucking door.
Reloading. Enemy. Objective.
Well, I can't move because he threw that Molotov cocktail right there. Great going, guy. Alright. We're getting gassed out.
Watch out! Don't get too close.
Shit. Someone's screaming out there. Give me that. What was that? Pick that up. Where am I getting shot from? Grab his gun. No, that ain't gonna fucking work at all.
I'm changing my magazine.
This thing sucks too.
Does anyone have water?
Oh, nice. Whew.
Everyone reporting.
That is some intense shite right there. How many kills I had? Knocker. 5 headshots. 21 kills, 1 death. Hey, I'll take that. Alright. I will take that.